Hey everybody, I just want to make a quick video on installing the resistors for the LED conversion to the backup lights on 6th gen Camaros. A lot of the videos that I saw online say that you have to remove the rear bumper completely to get to the plug underneath the assembly. If you come underneath the car here, yes, I know I have a lift and it's not up on the lift. I don't feel like putting it back up right now. But if you take this bolt here, I believe it's a 9/32 right here, and this one off here, especially if you have a lift, you can come up underneath the car. Get my phone up in here. That is the plug that you have to get at. So I have the harness adapter plugged in already. Took me a little bit. If you have long skinny arms, it's definitely helpful, but it beats removing the rear bumper completely, if you ask me. So I got those in there. I took out the stock halogens. I'll pop the trunk so you can see them lit up. Definitely a lot brighter than the stock halogens. And then it's the Diode Dynamics XPR bulbs. I know it says plug and play on them, but you need the wire harness adapter for them to actually work properly. I put them in, and my backup cam stayed on once I shifted it into reverse until I shut the car off, and there was still ambient glow coming from the backup lights. I tried the trick where you solder on resistors to the bulb, the prongs on the bulb. That didn't work. I doubled them up and everything, tried to up the resistance, series, parallel. Didn't work. I don't know. I'm not an electrician. I don't pretend to be. So yeah, I'll put links for the wiring harness and the bulbs in the description of this video. They're a little bit of a pain in the ass to fit in here. I kind of had to put the bulb in like halfway and then squeeze it into the plug for it to fit. But I don't know. It could just be me. I bought this car used. It's a 2022 LT1 Camaro. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. I hope this helps.